everything here is made with our twine, from that part to the left. Everything except for the dry design. We should ask them. We should ask them how many bales they make. Just to have a good idea.
He's running at roughly 9.8 to 10.2 at the moment. Moisture.
And the speed, David, what's he doing, about 13?
To be honest, I didn't ask. Next time he stops, we can.
So that's what I would think. This is what
our interface so far was Mark and Gary, and then
he still wants to be CC that thing, but his tenure on that project is now on.
But we were send a report to Christine and Tom. As a matter of fact, as soon as we finish that, I'm going to send an email saying, well, we are done. Success, 100%. Waiting for your orders.
Yeah. I was glad we did it in this neck of the woods too, because it's obviously the biggest consumption area. It's going to work under these conditions.
Is most of it sold for this kind of baling, for alfalfa?